Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject English, Unit 3, Chapter 8. Thank God. Once upon a time, there was a farmer who liked fruits. So, he decided to grow fruits on his land. He worked hard to grow a variety of fruits. With hard work and care, the trees grew well. He took special care to grow grapes and watermelons in a small corner of his farm. When the fruits were all ripe and ready to be eaten, the farmer decided to gift the best fruit to the king. Then his wife said, "This year, the best fruits on our farm are the watermelons and the grapes." The farmer thought about it and said, "Since it is a long journey to the palace, I shall take the grapes as watermelons are too heavy." So, he put bunches of grapes in a basket and walked to the king's palace. The farmer reached the palace. He told the palace guard that he had brought a gift for the king. The palace guard then took him to the royal garden. The farmer saw the king playing with the princess. So, he quietly kept the basket full of grapes in front of him and sat down. When the king sat down to rest, the guard brought the basket of grapes to the king. The guard pointed to the farmer and told the king that the grapes were a gift from the farmer. The king saw the farmer. The king was still in a playful mood. He took a bunch of grapes from the basket. He plucked out one grape and popped it into his mouth. Then he plucked another grape and threw it playfully at the farmer. When the grape hit the farmer's forehead, he said, "Thank God." The king was surprised. He threw a grape again. The farmer again said, "Thank God. I am blessed." The king asked the farmer, "Why are you thanking God when I am throwing grapes at you?" The wise farmer replied with a smile, "O mighty king, I have grown the best grapes and watermelons on my farm. I chose the grapes to give to you. Imagine if I had brought watermelons. Indeed, God is great." Thanks for watching.